Welcome back, dear children, to e-learning classes, Standard 7, Subject English, Chapter number 2, Exploring Puzzles. We shall now read the Activity 9. Read the article carefully to yourself. Mark any word that you don't understand. Use a dictionary, the internet, or your classmate who may help you to understand each word and idea. 5 things we still don't know. You may think that teachers, scientists, and doctors must know everything important that there is to know. But this is not true. The job of many teachers, scientists, and doctors is to do research, to learn more and more about the world. There are still many puzzles left to solve, and we need people to work on some of these questions. Some puzzles are very important to solve, like how we can make enough clean water for all the people in the world to have healthy lifestyle. Some things may not be quite that important. Some things are just puzzling. Here are something we still don't know. First, doctors and scientists are constantly working to solve medical problems so that people can live longer, healthier lives. But some mysteries aren't about deadly disease. We still don't know why humans blush. Blushing seems to have no advantage to the human body. Now even the blushing is a mystery. Why do we blush? It is related only to our emotions, nothing to do with our health. The second is doctors, scientists, psychologists, theologians, and others have long been interested in our dreams. But we still do not know why people dream. Recent research suggests it helps us dealing with emotions. In 1912, a manuscript was found that is believed to be from the year 1404 to 1438. It is filled with strange plans and drawings and writings. It is called the Voynich manuscript, and its language is completely unknown. Fourth one, in 1977, researchers received a radio signal from a part of space that no human has ever been. The signal lasted 72 seconds and appeared to be international. It's known as the wow signal because the researchers on duty wrote wow on their printout and showed the signal. The signal has never been replaced or explained. The fifth one, we still don't know very much about the deepest part of the ocean. The first dive to the deepest point, that is 7 miles below the surface, was only made last year. Oceanographers estimate that for every species of animal we know about in the ocean, there may be 3 or 4 that we don't know about. So, dear children, as we grow older, we will know about the mysteries the earth has hidden inside it. Hope you have understood up till Activity 9. Now we shall continue Activity 10. Often when we try to answer a big question, we need to find out the answers to a lot of small or simpler questions first. For example, scientists working on ways to provide people with clean drinking water might need to know a few things first. For example, like how much fresh water is in the ground? How many people need access to the water? What bacteria or pollution is affecting the water? How much money is needed to clean the water? How can the clean water be distributed to the people who need it? Now in this activity, look again at the article 5 things we still don't know. With a group, pick the mystery that interests you most. Work with your group and think of 5 questions about the mystery and write in that given place. This will be your homework. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you understood this chapter.